Welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, I'm here with the final analysis of 24th of April 2017. Okay, first of all, I was expecting a bit tricky day, but at the end of the day everything has went quite fine, and now I'm going to talk about the signals and the trading system for today. So let's get started with New Zealand USD at the moment. So guys, you can see that I have taken a sell position on New Zealand USD. We have seen a significant downfall in the few hours on New Zealand USD. Now I'm going to take you to the signals report on New Zealand USD. So I was right bearish from the morning on this pair, and I was only looking for a bearish opportunities. Okay. Similarly, if you can see that today the market was a bit confusing because it started with a bullish cap today, so that's what has confused me in the morning. But later on that I have decided not to buy this pair at a very high price, so I have supplied the sell signal to my traders in the morning, and I have not supplied anything bullish, because normally we see that when something is created with a bullish cap, normally it goes up. But today I was just catching that maybe this could be a move from the market movers. So that's why I decided that we are not here to get deceived by the market movers. So I have supplied the sell signal, and right now you can see that hourly candles have closed below the dotted blue line. So on the hourly chart we can say that more selling chances can be seen on the basis of H1. If you see the H4 chart, then still I can say that it's looking bearish to me, and I'm just expecting more downward trend on the basis of H1 on New Zealand USD. Okay, that was a loss on Great Britain Pound USD. Let me explain it. Basically, I was bearish on Great Britain Pound USD from the morning, but what happened with me is that that's my prediction for Great Britain Pound USD, but the market was simply making a bullish pattern. So basically it has tested the resistance here. So that was the prior resistance, and you can see that the doji appeared before that resistance, and then later on it went down as per my prediction that I have provided in my signals report. Now you can see that the market is way down. And one more thing, if you have this trading system, so everything was pretty fine because market moved up, and then doji appeared at the overbought levels, because this is in the blue zone. So doji appeared in the overbought level, so there was a hammer, so there were only chances that the market will go down, and the market was already in the overbought levels. Okay, so that was the loss here, but it was recovered from the next trade. That was taken a sell position right after this, and taken a great after this doji that was taken, and now you can see the market is way down, and it has profited us according to the trading system. And as well as if you talk about the signal report, I was bearish and I was just finding a bearish move, and we have completely done everything in a right way. Okay, USDCHF, guys, you know that I'm talking from many days to sell this pair, not to buy this pair, and today again it went down. So what happened is that today when the market started, it started with the bearish gap here. You can see that it started from here, it went up, doji appeared, that was a sign for trend reversal. The hourly candle was closed below the dotted blue line, so I have taken a sell position, and you can see it went down in the lower red boundary, and then the trade was closed. And you can see that this is the analysis according to the same trade that I have told you, that it was going down below the dotted blue line. So you know, when the hourly candle closes below the dotted blue line, we take sell positions according to the trading system. Okay, now let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. In the early session of the day, we have profited from the bearish rally here. So as market went up, it went up near to the overbought levels. Scalper has given you a red arrow signal. Look, the market was going down, it even closed below the dotted blue line. So I have taken the advantage from this bearish rally. Now I'm going to take you to the signals report for USD Canadian dollar. Look, I was bearish, and even if you talk about USDCHF, the last signal that I have discussed, I was bearish from the morning. I have not suggested anything to buy the pair, and my signal subscribers must know about it. Okay, right now you can see that the USD Canadian dollar, after a great big downward move, it has again moved up. So again you can say this is the deception, so be careful with this. Right now this is not a right time to trade USD Canadian dollar, because it is again moved into the level where we cannot predict it in a right way. But overall Still I say that things are bearish to me, but do not take any kind of trade because this is right now in a confusing zone. It's just again testing the resistance here. So if it starts its bearish level right from 134980, then it will again go down. Okay, what's next? Great Britain Pound USD is discussed. AUDUSD. So we also have a loss on AUDUSD. Let me explain how this loss has occurred. Okay, so you know that the market was making a bearish pattern right from the morning, and I was bullish pattern from the morning, but I was against that bullish pattern because I was looking for a bearish trend, because that was my signal for today, and I was just looking something to go bearish. And guys, after going a bit up, then it has finally went down, and still the dodges appeared here on the hourly chart. But let me look at the 4-hour chart. Things are bearish to me at the moment, because if we talk about the 4-hour chart, then still we have received a very good upward trend. We have a doji here, and still I'm looking more bearish trend on the basis of H1. So be careful with AUD USD. Buying can be dangerous here. So that's up to you that what you want to do, but I'm looking things to be bearish at the moment. Okay, so you can see that we have received a signal from super signals, and the market was going down, and still even if you talk about the scalper, it has provided you with a red signal to sell this pair. Okay, USDJPY here. Okay, so guys, basically again it was a deception from the market movers. It started with a bullish gap. Look, that's here. So today again that was confusing, but still I turned into bearish as per my signals report. I have supplied the bearish signal. That's my signal for today, and I have simply sold this pair. And if after a bearish gap in a few hours we have received the doji, and that was the sign for trend reversal, taken the sell position. Hourly candle was closed below the dotted blue line, taken more sell position. You can see that finally USDJPY is down, and I am expecting more downward trend on USDJPY. Right now, if you look at the trading system here, so we can see that the top red boundary is the overbought levels. We have a doji here. The market is making a bearish pattern. So I can say that on a 4-hour chart, I am expecting USDJPY to be more down. Okay, what next is Great Britain Pound JPY at last. This is the final thing from my side. It started with a bullish gap, so things were confusing in the morning when I was preparing this signal. I was also very confused on Great Britain Pound JPY and even all of the pairs, and I have sent the special note to my subscribers today that today we will not take any kind of long positions. We will do scalping, and we will just trade the market carefully. That was the note for my signals report today. So guys, as I have told you that I was bearish right from the morning. You can see that was my signal for Great Britain Pound JPY. The market went up first. Okay, it went up in the top right boundary. We have received a sell signal. Even the scalper has provided you with a sell arrow in the form of red color here. And from 5 hours, we are looking that Great Britain Pound JPY is going down. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, still it looks like that it will go more down as per the analysis. Hopefully my subscribers have made the profit today, because everything still because I was in a doubt in the morning, but still signal report has went very fine, except EURUSD right now, because it does not mean that EURUSD signal hasn't worked today. We have hit the 7 signals, but I'm going to talk about EURUSD, guys. The final trend that I am looking for EURUSD is down, and this trend can be even caught in the later hours during the night session. So be careful with the signal. Buying can be handy here because it started with a bullish gap, so be careful with EURUSD today. So moreover, we have again done very well with the signals, and as per the trading system, everything was pretty fine. Even you look in the case of a Great Britain Pound JPY, market went in the top red boundary. We have received a sell signal from the scalper. The market went down, and when it goes down in the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair. So guys, if you want to get this trading system, if you want to subscribe to Forex Signal Service, if you want to get the Forex video lessons to improve your trading technique, and if you want to learn from me through one-to-one Skype coaching, then please send your emails on info@200forexpips.com. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, and share my analysis with others. And one more thing, guys, I'm going to clear one thing, that most of the people, they blindly call me on Skype. So this is not my way of working. Do not call me blindly. Always send your inquiries through email, because I am one of the busy persons and I'm all time not available on Skype. I normally take coaching lessons on Skype, but I do not entertain all type of clients on Skype. So please be careful with this. Always ask questions through email. Do not make a direct call. Otherwise you can be ignored from my side. So guys, be careful with this, and you know that I have already supplied you with the detailed information of my services, and I have provided you the reviews on a daily basis according to the trading system and even according to the signals report. If you have any doubts, then first of all, please watch my videos and then ask the questions from me. I receive a lot of emails on a daily basis, so I cannot reply to everyone who is only willing to talk to me. So this is a thing which is quite difficult for me. Anyways, guys, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with others, and stay in touch with 200forexpips.com. Thank you for watching the video.